Once your framing is complete, you are ready to install your electric fireplace. It is important to note that this part of the framing is done with 2x6s, which is what Puraflame recommends, so that the fireplace unit can sit nicely. First, I recommend taking the cord and putting it through the framing. Then you can grab the unit on each side by the handholds. And just place it right in the framing. Use the supplied screws and securely mount your fireplace to the studs. Puraflame provides you with several different options for the aesthetics of your fireplace. Depending on the look that you're going for, you can put a combination of logs and different colored crystals. Once you're happy with the placement of your glass crystals and your wood pieces, you can put the glass panel on. The last thing you need to do to secure it is take a small screwdriver and put in the little screws through the vent hole right here. Okay, now that the fireplace is installed, we can use the remote to turn it on, or we can use the buttons that are along the faceplate right here. So you've got your power button right here, okay, and we've got a flame button that can change the different colors. The next button is the actual heat button. That red light means low. 2 red lights is high. If it disappears, that's off. The next button will actually change the colors of the crystals on the bottom to a bunch of different colors. And that last one will actually fade through all the different colors.